Look at this. This is 6,000 LED lights. And look how this is fused here. It's almost like something out of Stranger Things. This is the future of Bentley. This is the EXP 100 GT. Stands for Experiential 100 to celebrate 100 years of Bentley and Grand Tourer. Let me show you around. Look at these shark teeth here. Look at the back here. This is one big curved LED screen all the way across. This is the biggest door you've ever seen. That's crazy, right? Come check out what's inside. Look at this crystal here. It has a glass panel over the top so that you can interact with the car. This is where you would turn the volume up and down, wind down the windows. The same up there. This here can be brought forward as a desk. Because there's no engine, the whole front of the car is storage. So they have capsules that come in through here that can just feed you stuff. So one capsule could be like sushi for your lunch, another capsule could be like a mini bar, another capsule could be all of your technology, and that's all stored in the front and fed to you here in the cabin. This chair can go all the way back. This seat will retract into the back of the car, like this one right here. Or you can move this forward and have another seat here behind you. Take a look at this. It's all about sustainability, this car. This material here, guess how old this is? This is carbon dated back to 3,300 BC. Take a look at the steering wheel here. Now there's an interesting story about the roof here. Let me show you outside. This is meant to feed air from the outside in through the back of the car and all through the roof so that you can experience the senses. If there's a nice smell outside, you can actually get that smell from the outside and bring it into the car as you drive around.
How was jaw driving this thing?
Look how crazy this looks.
That is sick.
That is crazy, right?
Look at the light, oh my god.